Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best espresso machines for home in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Breville Barista Express Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine is among the most reliable gear when it comes to a great tasting espresso. It comes with a built-in conical burr grinder that lets you ground your own coffee to produce the delicious coffee drink. It comes with stunning features. A great grab for anyone. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. The powerful Steam 1 performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. Browse includes user-friendly instructions with a troubleshooting section. Requires less cleaning than other espresso machines. With clean me light indicates the next cleaning cycle. It has a pressure gauge that's integral to making great espresso. Cons: some buyers complained about the grind knob that won't go low enough. Number 2, our second best pick is DeLonghi Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. Being new to espresso culture can make your head swimming. From the host of features that each model comes with, to the wild swing in pricing, it's hard to figure out where to start. In your espresso adventures, you want to start off on the right foot. That's why in our DeLonghi EC155 Espresso and Cappuccino Maker review, we make sure you don't lose a buck in deciding if this machine is right for you. The DeLonghi's build quality is nothing spectacular, but it's also not bad at all for the price. The form factor of the machine is black hard plastic, and the parts which touch the espresso itself are stainless steel. The stainless steel parts aren't about to break or become distorted, but you can't say the same about the machine's plastic form factor. If you treat the machine normally, you won't have any problems. Browse: 15 bars of pressure, uses pods or grounds. Swivel jet frother, great value, good for espresso beginners. Includes cup warmer. Cons: mediocre form factor quality. Steam dial operation is required to use frother. Number 3, our third best pick is Gaggia Classic Pro Espresso Machine. If you are willing to learn how to make the perfect espresso and do not mind working a bit more for a delicious cup, this coffee machine might be the right choice for you. This espresso machine can make a barista-level coffee at an affordable price and is a great choice for beginners. The Gaggia Classic Pro is a sturdy, durable and affordable espresso machine for beginners. It has a number of amazing features for making a professional-level espresso, complete with steamed and frothed milk and a mechanism for extracting maximum flavor from the coffee grounds. You will not have any trouble in learning how to use it, and make a delicious coffee to start your day. Browse: large removable water reservoir, 72 ounces capacity. Commercial level steam wand. Fast heat up. Comes with both pressurized and unpressurized filter baskets. Simple and easy to use controls. Quiet operation. The stainless steel machine is tough, sturdy and durable. Cons: takes up a good amount of space. The coffee spout is low and cannot fit big mugs for coffee. Number 4, our fourth best pick is Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus is engineered to deliver optimal espresso flavor with every cup. It pre-infuses ground coffee with low, steady water pressure before extraction, gently expanding the grinds before stepping up to high pressure. The result is a more even extraction, which produces beautifully rich, balanced coffee flavor. Select automatic 1 or 2 shot volumes at the touch of a button. Easy programmable control offers preset 1 and 2 shot volumes. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases water pressure to gently expand grinds for an even extraction. Balanced flavor and thick creamer. Thermojet heating system is ready in 3 seconds. Automatic microfoam texturing produces barista quality froth for making latte art. Exterior is brushed stainless steel in a choice of premium metallic finishes with polished chrome accents. Designed to take up minimal countertop space without sacrificing performance. Includes stainless steel frothing jug, 1 and 2 cup filter baskets, trimming tool, tamper, cleaning tool, cleaning disc and cleaning tablets. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Rancilio Silvia Espresso Machine. This popular traditional style semi-automatic espresso machine is built to last. Its strong linear designed housing is constructed of an iron frame and stainless steel side panels. Built with Rancilio's commercial grade group head for excellent heat stability and premium extraction quality. Features a patented ergonomic 58mm portafilter for superb extraction. These are the same portafilters used on Rancilio commercial machines. The single boiler of the Silvia has the largest volume capacity of any home machine in its class. Holding 0.3 liters, this chrome-plated brass boiler produces outstanding steaming power and remarkable recovery time between shots. The 2-quart water reservoir can be removed or filled from the top at any time during the operation. The Rancilio Silvia features an articulating stainless steel steam wand that allows for a complete range of motion for steaming perfect latte quality milk. Controls steaming power with the commercially designed steam knob. This Silvia comes with a 7-gram coffee scoop, a plastic tamper and 2 filter baskets, single and double. Ergonomic portafilter handle same as the proven design of Rancilio commercial machines. Commercial grade group's head for superb heat stability and extraction quality. Articulating steam wand offers a complete range of motion and professional steaming knob. Precisely controls steaming pressure. Classic linear design fits most decors. Optional pod and capsule adapter kit available. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.